How to delete all your drafts at once on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your drafts at once on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application, and now once you are here, you're gonna find on your For You page, you're gonna find those three lines up there. Click on it, and here you're gonna find those options. Between them you're gonna find drafts. Tap there, and here you're gonna find all your Likee drafts. All you need to do is click on edit and select all your drafts, and once you do that, click on delete and delete all your drafts at once. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.